Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Presidium Frisco Square in Frisco, Texas. The Presidium Frisco Square in Frisco, Texas. So this is the Frisco Square area. It's a very cool area off of Main Street in Frisco, Texas. This is the newer development in Frisco, Texas. To get you the bearings of north and south, if you go this direction, man, just maybe a half mile, then you're on the North Dallas Tollway. So going this direction is west, going this direction is east. There's restaurants that are within walking distance or quick driving distance. That includes Babe's Chicken, which is go up there and you go that direction. Some of the best chicken and home cooking you could ever have. There is a lot of night spots that are over here on the corner that would be amazing to check out. Some pubs, night spots, and other things like that. There's all kinds of restaurants. There's groceries that are mostly that direction on Main Street. So, 5 to 7 minutes away perhaps, and it's over there. So that's this area. This area is very walkable. You can see it's really dog friendly too. I've seen there's a dog over there. I've seen a lot of dogs in the area, and there's grass. So people really love being here with their dogs. The reason you want to be here too is this is a new, beautiful apartment, but the prices are very reasonable, especially with the specials they have right now. The rent specials are really great. So I recommend really paying attention. And then whenever you're ready, we can set up that virtual tour for you. You can do it from where your phone is. We can set that up for you and give you an even better feel of the property. For now, though, let's walk inside and let's check out the Presidium Frisco Square.